Hey guys, I used a macrame daisy flower pattern to make this wall hanging. You could use this pattern to make a wristlet strap or keychain. I used 3mm macrame cord. The black cord wasn't as thick as the other two cords since it was purchased from a different place. For this one, all three colors were purchased from one place. I tied a knot at the center of my cord so that I could make the loop bigger afterward. Place the center over the dowel, or whatever you decide to use, and bring the ends through the loop created. Place the center of the black cord behind the natural cords. Then make a square knot. To do this, make a number 4 with the left cord over the two middle cords and under the right. Bring the right cord through the loop created and pull it tight. Then make a backwards 4 with the right cord over the two middle cords and under the left. Bring the left cord through the loop created and pull it tight. To start a flower, cross the black cords over the natural cords. I place the center of the green cord under the black cords. Bring the right natural cord through the right loop and the left natural cord through the left loop. Then pull all the cords tight. Bring the natural cord over the black cord and pull it through the loop created. Then bring the natural cord under the black cord and pull it through the loop created. Repeat this with the other side. To make the center, cross the natural cords over the green cords. Bring the right green cord through the right loop and the left green cord through the left loop. Then pull all the cords tight. Make another petal on both sides. To make the sixth petal, cross the black cords over the natural cords. Bring the right natural cord through the right loop and the left natural cord through the left loop. Then pull all the cords tight. I turned it over to tighten the green cord. With the black cords, make a square knot. I made 10 flowers. With an extra cord, make a gathering knot. To do this, form a U shape with the extra cord and wrap it around the other cords. Place the end through the loop created. Pull the top in so that the loop gets tucked under the wrap part. I tighten the other cords before securing the gathering knot and cutting the extra cord. Next, trim the cords. I removed it from the dowel and redid my knot. And here's how it turned out.